Today I'll show you how to make a super simple sweet potato and egg cake. With just one sweet potato and 2 eggs, you can make it right away. Soft and fragrant, lightly creamy, with natural sweetness, perfect for breakfast or a snack. Anyone can succeed on the first try. First, I prepared 2 sweet potatoes. Peel all the skin off the sweet potatoes. Choose the red-skinned ones with yellow or orange flesh for the best flavor and texture. After cutting, place the potatoes in a bowl of clean water. Wash it thoroughly to remove sap and any remaining dirt, helping prevent discoloration and keep the sweet potato fresh in color during cooking. After washing, take the potatoes away. Now we'll cut the sweet potatoes into small slices so they'll cook faster when steamed. You can cut the potatoes into slices or cubes, as long as they are of a suitable size to cook evenly. Place the sliced potatoes in the steamer. Pour enough water into the pot to prepare for steaming the potatoes. Place the pot on the stove, preparing for the steaming process to proceed evenly. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. When the potatoes are cooked, open the lid of the pot and take them away. Pour the potatoes into a bowl and mash them thoroughly, while they are still hot to make them more pliable and cohesive. This step is very important as it can affect the final outcome. Where are you watching from? Please leave a comment to let me know. Next, add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix well until the batter is smooth and evenly coats the ingredients. It helps the food bind together better and will give it a beautiful golden color and delicious aroma when cooked. Next, I crack 2 eggs into the bowl. The right ratio of sweet potato to egg makes the cake soft, chewy, and fragrant. Mix gently until the mixture is smooth. No need to beat vigorously, just mix until. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can register by clicking the register button. It's great to see your support. Then add 1 spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt for balance. If you prefer it richer, you can add some fresh milk. Mix until the mixture becomes smoother, slightly viscous, and has a beautiful pale yellow color. When the mixture reaches the right consistency, it should not runny when scooped up. At this point, the mixture is rich, creamy, and smooth, ready for the next step. Pour a little cooking oil into the pan and turn on the stove. Once the oil is hot, pour the sweet potato mixture into the pan. Use a spoon to spread the batter evenly, making it a thin layer so that it cooks evenly and becomes softer and more pliable when eaten. Keep the heat low so the cake cooks slowly, browns evenly, and doesn't burn on the bottom. When the surface sets and the edges turn lightly golden, it's ready. Now, flip the pan over and place the pancake on the lid, or gently use a spoon to flip it to the other side. Continue frying for a few more minutes until the pancake is golden brown on both sides. If the cake browns too quickly, lower the heat to allow it to cook thoroughly inside. Press gently on the cake. It should be soft, slightly elastic, and cooked through. Once the cake reaches the desired golden color, remove it and place it on a plate. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or kids. Sprinkle roasted sesame seeds on top if you want stronger flavor. The method is simple, yet the result looks beautiful and tastes delicious. Now I'll cut a piece to check how soft and chewy the cake is. Kids, adults, and even the elderly can enjoy it. Soft, chewy, and not dry, truly delicious. Try making the cake this way. You're sure to have a delicious and nutritious cake. This video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.